hello to all the people who are watching this video. I want to welcome you to Indonesia, to the Uncle Hard Enduro race. This is Saturday now, so we have our first main off-road day. We had prologue this morning. Hope we make it through safely and have a lot of fun. Woo! What's up, guys? Just finished the prologue run. I had a great start. Managed to get around Graham and Sonny into the lead and kept the lead for a little bit. And I don't know, I didn't get the rocks right once. Like, Graham got me in the rocks and then I managed to follow him a little bit. I was catching him, I think, everywhere on the track, but he was just way faster in the rocks. He got them very good every time. I think until the 5th lap I was in 2nd then, and still close to Graham, and then I slipped off in the rocks and hit the sprocket, and I must have bent it, and then the chain derailed, and like I could not get the bike out. I thought the rear wheel was locked, but the chain was like wrapped around the front sprocket. The guys got me, like they pushed the bike out and got the chain free, so I continued, and yeah, next lap same thing, derailed the chain, and yeah, then it was over. Like, I was so exhausted, the vision was blurry and like the hands were shaky. It was really tough. Like, I don't know how this will go later when we have to race 3 hours, but the other boys did well. Wade rode really solid, came from the back and won the race, so congrats to him. And yeah, I'm gonna go to the hotel now, rest up a little bit, and yeah, be ready for later. Yo, as you can see, like, it's full of people. I want to show you. Hi guys, hello. Guys, it looks like it's about to rain. Yeah, we will see how it turns out. It really looks like big rain coming. 1 second. So thanks to Troy, he gave me his back wheel. Oh shit. Sorry I got interrupted. I needed to make sure they will change all the stuff quick. So they put the wrong sprocket on Troy's bike. He was giving me his rear wheel because my tire had like a Shinko on there, like the Korean version of an old Golden tire, and it didn't ride very good, especially in the heat. It wore pretty quick and it was very slippery on the rocks. So cheers, Troy. You're a good fella, as you would say. Yeah, thanks for giving me your wheel. Yeah, and they just put the wrong sprocket on, so my bike's all done. I'll show you. I got a Mitas tire now. As you can see, good old double green. Yeah, which is very helpful, I guess. Let's see. So now I got no more excuses. Everything is how it should be. So yeah, let's get it. I'm excited to see if it's gonna rain or not, because if it's gonna rain, it will be very tough. So as you can see, it just started to rain like crazy. We're all hiding under a tent. Yeah, hold on to my mic so I can stand up and get a video. Will be a fun day. Will be a fun day. So I can stand up. Yeah. I want my tire back. Good luck, man. Good luck, man. Rienk. Fuck that. Wow, it's so slippery, guys. Yeah, let's go. Let me try to grab that tree. Hey, should we just fuck it and fuck all help together and continue at the top?
Yeah.
Best, no?
We'll get one bike through in 2 seconds.
Huh?
We'll get one bike each through in fucking...
Exactly, so put your bikes down, we'll help him first and then we go down. We're in for a tough day, boys. You got it? Boys, this is what Enduro makes this sport different from every other motorsport in the world, because we fly around the world to race us and we're still all friends, and if things go south we just help each other. Man, I feel more happy than pulling a 20-second lead just being out with friends. Should we just run off? No. Right. Go here where my foot is, Starkey, with yours.
No!
Good job. Good job. Good job, boys. Good job, Starks. Look. I'm gonna take a break. So, we made a decision, a group decision, that we're just gonna stay together. Basically try to have fun and not die. So we're gonna see how we'll do. This one is a fucker. Just really careful, so I'm not gonna do anything stupid. Good job. It's better here actually. It's not so bad. No way. No way. So we made a group decision and to skip there was one creek, and Tristan and Dieter, they were like, they made up the other hill. We were helping each other. They were like, they made it alone, and we spent 45 minutes on that hill. So basically they spent 45 minutes already on that hill, and Rienk was there, and he said like they are not making any ground. So yeah, we just thought we skipped the shit parts and just go hit the fun stuff. And yeah, that's what we're doing. Yeah, let's just have fun, no?
Yeah, exactly. I'll fucking kill myself.
Don't look upset. Be happy.
I'm happy. I'm happy to be here.
That's good. Enduro! Yeah! Yeah! Fuck yeah! Huh?
Let's go and have some fun.
Imagine like the Enduro Life guys are somewhere and like, fuck, there's a fight for the lead, 6 people. Like,
they're teaming up. They're having a chat in the corner. What are
and
you
like
doing?
we all look super relaxed and
high-fiving.
yeah. Yeah, checkpoint! Go quick, 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 quick! No! Quick, 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 quick! Okay. Quick, my helmet, quick, we're in a race! My helmet, quick! Quick, quick, quick! Sorry, I want to win! Okay. Thank you! We made them rush! I mean, whoa, fuck! Almost died. This is why we ride motorbikes, not to have fun. So, like this, we will all go home and being stoked about how our day was, because it still was really fun. Yeah, and I mean, you know, if you've seen some mountain bike events like Rampage or something, they all, like, either everything works perfect and they like compete for the win, or they just have fun with their friends, and all the sponsors and all the industry, they are still super happy because yeah, it's a great show and it shows how great the sport is. And I think this is quite similar, I would say so, because I think what we did today shows a lot about us riders. Such a fun day. I'm really happy with our decision. Now the last hour was just so fun riding together with all friends. Got the race lead! Perfect. let's wait here so they don't see us. This will be so funny now. Now there's a big hill.
Oh, fuck.
Third gear flat.
Are we doing it?
Yeah.
The one you did yesterday. Oh, right.
Oh, yeah. Should we go?
Kevin Gallas.
Good, eh? I fucked the bottom up so bad. Yes! Yes, Starkey! Whoa. Yeah! Yes. This is fucking legendary, eh? Fuck. So cool. Did you make it? It was impossible. We helped each other and then we went around and just had fun.
Have fun.
I'm sorry, but was not possible to ride.
Possible to ride?
Not possible.
Rainy?
Yes,
Yes.
very muddy.
Maybe tomorrow you can ride
Yeah,
again.
yeah.
Okay. But everything okay?
Yeah, we all happy. We had a lot of fun.
Yeah.